are the samples we are going to share with them. This is not what they wanted, but what is happening, this is, we are going to show them the weaving quality. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is a laundry basket. These are still used in hotels. So we'll share with you the type of chairs they need. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, this is the pool area. A very beautiful hotel. This is now the pool area. So the mission in this hotel is to repair these chairs, remove this plastic PVC. This is called plastic PVC, and then we replace it with the original rattan. These are the chairs that we are going to replace, and probable, I think the aluminum frame can still work because it looks still strong. Then also these ones, we'll also replace these ones. And then the table, we're going to remove this plastic and we put cane. The idea is also to get rid of this glass. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So these are the chairs which are going to be repaired. We remove all the plastic and then we put the cane. That's exactly what. So the hotel is called Muthu. It's in Limuru, but they have different branches. As you can see, they have Scotland, Spain, Cuba, Kenya. Over 50 hotels and 10,000 rooms. This is what they have. And then what I also wanted to show you, I think they have a golf course. That's a golf course in preparation.